Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear students, our today's lesson is revision of Unit 5, Heat and Light. So, let's begin our today's lesson. Dear students, in Unit 5, Heat and Light, we have learned that heat and light are the forms or kinds of energy. And what is energy? Energy is a power to do work. And you know that we are using these heat and light in our daily work, so we can see the things in the presence of light clearly. Okay, it can be of sun's light, and there are other sources of light also, like bulb, torch, tube light, and in a way fire is also a source of light. But the main source of heat and light is the sun. As you know that our planet Earth has no light of its own, no heat. So the main source of heat and light to the earth is the sun. And if we talk about heat, heat is also a form or kind of energy, as it helps us to cook our food. And we also use heat to keep us warm in winter season. Yes, and we can get that heat from the sun's heat. And there are other sources of heat also, like fire, heater, stove. So these can be electric heater or gas heater, but we are using heat to keep us warm in winter season. Okay, so now dear students, let's revise our question answers we have done in this unit 5, heat and light. Our first question is, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. Okay, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy. Question number 2 is, what gives heat and light to the earth? What is the source of heat and light to the earth, you can say? So the answer is the sun. Yes, the sun gives heat and light to the earth. Okay. Question number 3 is, what helps us to see in the dark? What helps us to see in the dark? Yes, obviously, light helps us to see in the dark. Light helps us to see in the dark. Dear students, next question we have done is, name 3 things through which light can pass and light cannot pass. And we have learned that light can pass through some objects, and these objects are called transparent objects. And light cannot pass through some objects, and these objects are called opaque objects. Okay, so now you have to write 3 things or 3 objects through which light can pass through, or in other words, transparent objects. Okay, so look around you, what you can see, transparent object. Yes, air. Air is a thing or object through which light can pass through. Water and glass, and the glass can be window glass or door glass. So light can pass through air, water and glass. So these are transparent objects. On the other hand, you have to write 3 names of the things through which light cannot pass through. And I have written wood, rubber and cardboard. Okay, all the things made up of wood like door or window or a wooden you can say a box or anything made up of wood. Table can be made up of wood. Light cannot pass through that wood, okay, or wooden thing, because it is an opaque object. Light cannot pass through rubber or the things made up of rubber. Light cannot pass through a cardboard. Okay, dear students. So these are opaque objects. Now look at the next question we have done in science notebooks is write true or false. Now in this question what we are doing, we have to read the sentence carefully. If the sentence is correct, we have to write T, true, at the end of the sentence, and if the sentence is incorrect, we have to write F for false. So sentence 1 is we can see in the dark. Can we see? No, it's wrong. So it's a false sentence right here, F. Sentence 2 is the moon gives light to the earth. Does the moon have light? No, the sun is the main source of heat and light to the earth and for the moon also, because as moon reflects sun's light. So it is incorrect sentence. You have to write F, false. Number 3 is light helps us to see things. Yes, correct. It is true sentence. Number 4, a candle gives out light. Yes, candle is the source of light, so it is a true sentence. Number 5 is sunlight is made up of 5 colors. You know, we have learnt about rainbow. Yes, and the sun's light is made up of 7 colors, and we can see all the 7 colors in the form of rainbow, especially in a rainy season. Only then we can see the rainbow, sometimes occasionally when sun's light reflects or bent in the rainwater, then only we can see rainbow, and it's so beautiful and it has sun's lights 7 colors. Okay, so here written 5, so it is incorrect sentence, so you have to write here false, F. Number 6, fire gives us heat and light. Yes, fire is a source of heat and light also, so it is a true sentence. Last, we need heat to keep us warm. Yes, we need heat when we are feeling cold in winter season. We need heat to keep us warm. It is a true sentence. So you have to write T at the end of this sentence. Okay. Next question we have done is choose the correct answer and circle it. You have to read the sentence, and for each sentence you have been given some options. There are 3 options, A, B, C. You have to select one correct option and circle it or highlight it. Okay. Sentence 1 is the sun gives us A, heat and sound, B, heat and light. And C, water and light. What do you think? Option B, heat and light is the correct option. Yes, correct. So you have to highlight or circle it. No need to write it on the blank. Just highlight it or circle the correct option. So sentence number 1, option B, heat and light is the correct option. Sentence 2 is sunlight is made up of how many colors? 4, 7 or 8? Yes, B, 7 colors. Number 3 is dash does not give off heat. What does not give off heat? Sun, fire or torch? Sun and fire gives us heat. So torch does not give off heat. So we have to choose C, torch. Next, dash keeps us warm in winter. What keeps us warm in winter? Light? No. Sound? No. Option B, heat. Yes, option B, heat is the correct option. Next, light cannot pass through. Light cannot pass through water, glass, wood. Yes, C, wood is the correct option. So you have to choose C, wood. Light cannot pass through wood as it is an opaque object. So dear students, we have done revision of this unit and I hope you all are preparing for your upcoming assessments, and good luck for your assessments. Allah Hafiz and take care.